how to remove payment card from Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your payment card from Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to remove your payment card from Amazon, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just launch the Amazon application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, just tap the account icon which you see over here. Once you tap the account icon, you want to go to your account button here. Once you go to your account, you want to simply look for the option called payments and go to your payments. Once you go to payments, make sure you're under wallet, and then here you can see the cards that you've added. If I want to remove a specific card, tap the three dots icon next to it, then just tap the edit button here. Once you tap on edit, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find an option called remove from wallet, where you just need to tap on it. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to remove it? All you have to do is tap on the remove button to successfully remove your payment card. That's it on how you can remove your payment card from Amazon. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.